Alam mo guys, nakakapiko ng tao dito. Pumunta ako dun sa, sa Shell, yes. I bought this guys. Na-enter ko naman guys, nag-work naman siya. Pumasok naman ang load na 100. Pero alam mo guys, ang pagkakamali ng babae doon, magsasabi pa lang ako ng 99 crowns dahil kailangan ko ng data. Alam mo kung anong binigay sa akin guys? Ito, binigay sa akin guys, nagkakahalaga ng 100. 100 crowns without data. Anong gagawin ko sa 100 crowns na to? Tawagan ko si Droning, ang Prime Minister sa Denmark para gamitin yung load na yan. Oh my God! Nagsasalita pa lang ako guys ng 99, binigyan niya na ako ng 100. Diba? Binigyan niya na ako ng 100 guys without asking me. Alam mo guys, kailangan ko ulit pumunta doon. Yamang lanio helpems meldeta. Laki mata. Meldeta. Yamang lanon data. O see? I throw 100 crowns because of the packing shit that, I will use that for my food already. But I need to go back there again and ask. I need 99. 99. So I can have a data. Yun ang kailangan ko. Na-enter ko naman guys, nagwo-work naman. Ngayon guys, paano ako makakagamit ng data na walang wifi? Kasi kailangan ko mag-login sa Lones, sa Clean Manager para ma-registered ang aking hours. Diba? Guys, I need to go back again. Do you want to follow me? Just follow me. I need to have a data, guys. Kaya pupunta ulit ako, guys. Alam mo, bumili ako ng Telesil, nagkakahalaga ng 100 crowns without data. How can I use this that I need internet? Not calling someone, not calling. Not like that, because I don't need to call to anybody to spend money for nothing. Oh yes, namit. Victim number 1. Number 2 again. I need to go back, okay? Yeah, this pila chill, guys. This pila, they want to play bingo, bango. Yes. Rohelia Pil, bango today. We get 100 crowns without internet. Take 2, I will go there again, okay? Let's try. Bye, guys. See you later.